Hey, I'm Tom Moses, and this is Nate, and we're here at the Epic Willys Adventure in Butler, Pennsylvania. Today we have the FC-150, the forward control cab over Jeep. We're sponsored by Kaiser Willys, and Kaiser Willys has been great providing all the parts for this vehicle and helping us with a lot of technical advice and getting us some just-in-time deliveries on a couple really important items like our rear main seal. So we have the whole field here to ourselves. The rest of the Epic Willys team will be arriving shortly. We'll have, I believe, 10 cars in this race, and it'll be from June 5th until June 15th. Our plan is to traverse the outer perimeter of the state of Michigan. And, we are the drivers of Sparky, the 1964 FC-150 forward control Jeep. I've loved Jeeps for quite a long time now. The first Jeep I remember was a 1944 Army Jeep. It was painted Alice Chalmers orange. It belonged to my great uncle. How about you?
I've been a fan since I was a little kid. I remember my brother and his best friend, or whomever, picked me up in the red XJ two-door, and ever since that, I remember that Jeep so well. That it beautiful. I've loved him since. Tom got me into working on him over at a Jeep garage, starting with a Wagoneer that was a fishing camp truck.
Yeah, 1971 Willys Wagoneer. It was painted a wonderful 1970 primrose yellow, very 70s color, black interior. It was basically just a bare bones car. They didn't even buy the accessory passenger side rear view mirror. They didn't buy a luggage rack. It didn't have a power tailgate or window. The only upgrade the car had was a 360 V8. So this has a four-cylinder, the 4134 motor, very common to Jeeps and very common to work trucks of the day. This FC was made between 1957 and 1964. And we're really looking forward to probably being the only FC in this year's race for the Epic Willys team. We're a little bit heavy. Our gross weight is 5,000 pounds, and that means that fully loaded, 2 drivers, all their gear, fuel, fluids, this will be at capacity at 5,000 pounds. The car itself was what, 3,100?
Thereabouts. We're
yeah.
Probably, hopefully not too far above that, 3,400?
Yeah, 3,400 pounds curb weight. So it's a great truck. It rides comfortably. It steers easily. It is not fast off the line. You put your foot to the floorboards, and you might have to downshift to think about keeping up with traffic at 50 miles an hour. So, when you were adjusting the locking hubs, why did you do that?
So we can get power to the front. We're on a big slippery grass slope here, so we were just spinning our back end. Figured we'd get a little more traction and claw our way up.
Exactly. So for any condition, the FC can be configured to give you the maximum control, the maximum power, the maximum ability to traverse rough terrain. And as I mentioned, we're the Kaiser Willys team, and Kaiser Willys was very generous and sponsored us and made sure that we had the right advice, the right parts, and just-in-time delivery. We did have a problem with our rear main seal.
They got it to us pretty fast, though. We're here.
We're here. That's exactly right. So the rear main seal, its job is to keep the oil in the engine. We might have a little leak here and there, but it's an old engine, 1964, and we've done the best we can with it, and we're really looking forward to the race. So now, here it is, the beauty shot, the rear three-quarter view of the FC-150. Why don't you get on this side of the tailgate with this? Give a little tailgate demonstration.